Hi friends, this is me Harshdevi Handal. Today I am going to talk about organisms and medium for culture, that is culture media. Coming to staff or yes, remember as M, M and M, that is mannitol salt agar and another M is Ludlam's medium and salt milk agar, that is mannitol M, Ludlam and salt milk agar, staph aureus. Coming to strep pyogens, you know that streptococcus is divided based on the hemolytic property, that is alpha hemolysis, beta hemolysis. So hemolysis occurs, hemolysis means lysis of blood. That is it is it it it's nothing but it is done on blood, so it is causing hemolysis. So this is blood agar, this is crystal violet blood agar. Coming to Neisseria meningitidis, it is Thayer Martin medium. Neisseria is Thayer, Neisseria Neisseria Thayer. Cornybacterium diphtheria, remember two things, that is Loftus serum slope and potassium telluride blood agar. The difference between these two is this gives the result within 6 hours, whereas this gives results within 24 hours. But the disadvantage with the Loftus serum slope is that even though it gives results within 6 hours, uh, it is a media in which even the commensals will grow. So it is a disadvantage. It is a disadvantage, right? Because even the common cells will grow off. But here, which in a potassium tolerant blood agar, which takes 48 hours for the culture to grow, the common cells will not grow. Okay, and coming to Bacillus anthrax, remember a mnemonic, that is when there is planning for an attack, they first, before any attack, they will make a plot. Okay, and for attacking there is plot, and for anthrax it is plet. Okay, remember like that, plet, PLET. It is PLET media, plet media. And be serious, be serious is Bacillus series. When you are very much serious, your friend will come and ask you, why are you so serious, dude? And then it is a common question. Now if you look serious, someone will come and ask you, why are you serious? So the mnemonic for Bacillus series is this one. So it is nothing but MYPA media. When you are serious, they will come and ask you, why are you serious? So that is MYPA media. Coming to Clostridium difficile. Difficile, it is CCFA media. That is CCFA media. Perfringens is Robertson cooked meat broth. That is RCMB. Okay. And coming to Salmonella, remember a mnemonic. There was a blacksmith. Okay. Blacksmith. Blacksmith's son loved salmon. This is the mnemonic. So it's nothing but Salmonella co. Culture media is son. That is Wilson and Blair. And coming to blacksmith, that is Bismuth sulfate media. Okay. And Vibrio is TCBS. Vibrio B हो गया और this is TCBS B. So now let's revise this page. Staph aureus, everything with yum, that is mannitol, salt milk agar, Rudlam's media. Then strep pyogens, it is strep pyogens is something which is grow, which is classified based on the hemolytic properties, right? So we can remember that is hemolysis, that is something related to blood. So it is crystal violet blood agar. Coming to Neisseria meningitidis, it is Thayer Martin medium. And Corynebacterium, it is Loeffler-Serum slope and potassium tellurate agar. Loeffler-Serum slope, the growth is seen within 6 hours, and potassium tellurate agar it is seen in 48 hours. The difference between these two is in Loeffler-Serum slope, even the commensal will grow, but in potassium tellurate agar, the commensal won't grow. And Bacillus anthrax, before an attack, plot is made, and for anthrax, plet is made, that is PLAT is the media. Be serious, Bacillus cereus. When you are serious, your friend will ask, why are you serious? So Bacillus cereus is MYPA. Okay. Coming to Clostridium difficile. Clostridium difficile and Clostridium perfringens, even though they belong to Clostridium only, but still the culture media differ. Clostridium difficile is CCFA media. Clostridium perfringens is RCMB media. Coming to Salmonella, the mnemonic is blacksmith's son loves salmon. So, Salmon is Salmonella, son is Wilson, and Blair. Blacksmith is bismuth. Blacksmith, bismuth. Bismuth sulfate medium. Coming to Vibrio, B. From B, you can remember TCBS. So, Vibrio is a TCBS. This is all about this page. And there are some more things. Coming to Pseudomonas. Pseudomonas is cetrimide. Remember, cetrimide is one of the active ingredients in Savlon. Okay, hence Savlon is not used in burn patient because cetrimide is a culture media for Pseudomonas, and in burns, the most common organism associated or most related organism which can happen in burn patient is Pseudomonas. So we should not make a culture media by applying Savlon and all for burn patient. So cetrimide is not used. Uh, Cetrimide is not should not be used for burn patient. Okay. Pseudomonas, the culture media is cetrimide, and Brucella. Just another mnemonic. All of you might be knowing there is brew coffee. So brew coffee के लिए कोई shooting हो रहा था. They were doing casting and all later. So brew coffee एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए कास्टिंग हो रहा था. सो कैस्टिनाडा मीडियम. ओके. Bordetella itself has bordet, that is the same word repeats. Bordet, gengao, glycerin is the medium. Another medium is potato blood agar. Okay, coming to Borrelia burgdorferi. In the previous video of mine, I had told for the mnemonic for the motility of the Borrelia burgdorferi. That is, someone is bored in the lockdown so much that they start playing with their eyelashes. That is lashing motility. So, let us extend this mnemonic to remember the culture media also. That is, eyelashes is lashing motility. In the lockdown, they get so much bored that they start playing with the lashes. After the lockdown is removed, everyone will go to shopping mall and shop like anything, right? So once this lockdown ends, they go to shopping mall. So remember, in Bangalore there is so many shopping malls, shopping places, and one such very nice place to shop is BSK. That is an area. So for Borrelia, just remember the story. That is, before lockdown, there's so much bored they start playing with their eyelashes. That is lashing motility, and after the lockdown ends, they do so much shopping in BSK area. That is Banchankri area. Okay, that they start that to make them feel happy, they start shopping more by going to BSK area. So for Borrelia burgdorferi, it is BSK media. And last one is Campylobacter. Campylobacter, it is Kirrhoff's media. Let us revise this page now. Pseudomonas is citramide. Citramide is an active component in Savlon. Brucella is castrina. Brew का casting, brew advertisement का casting चल रहा था. That is castrinana. Borded, same word repeats. Borded gangao glycerin, potato blade, agar. And Borrelia burgdorferi, bored before lockdown, so playing with lashes, slashing motility. After lockdown ends, they go for shopping in BSK area, that is Banshankari, that is BSK media. Then Campylobacter. Campylobacter, you remember as Kiroff's media. This is all about the various culture media associated with organisms. Try to learn better, try to revise more, try to do your best. Don't stress out too much also. Keep your health fit and fine, and keep studying, keep inspiring each one of each one of us